nwoke ọ ga-abụ ọgwa gị aha series ka ị chọọ onye ga-adị diplomatic ịmago ọpụta ọsị gị na alaiki ime ike gị a alaikịchakwu ya ịmago I think we have somebody special.
What guy?
You know, what's popping?
Hey, I don't miss you.
Hey,
Okay, Chai.
oh yeah, what's popping?
My brother. Okwanomia.
Good to see you, man. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too.
Oh, you don't what I feel. Hey, you don't compare to your lights, please. It's too early for you guys to be participating in a venture. If I fugo, so if you pause, autonomy member. No, let me get something straight. Pay attention, guys. Let me get no. Let me get something straight. Then I see lights, please. Shall one am a banyoku na fu. Remember na je fuka, but man I did banyoku. Because ko ga na ife ni me darkness ah. Or teja.
Okay.
Teja, full of teja, 100%.
Waga. Okay, mo te mbede give me teja biko ko wago do.
Of Igbo ọtọ nke teja iru n'azụ erika chigisi ka ya birthday suit ka na-akpụ
now.
Duru ma pants yo.
Utara nzara hụrụ ọfụma.
So
ira kwa dị mara nwụra.
Gị na mmadụ na-alalụba ịmaga onwe ndị na-alalụ kwa with you sometimes.
Mba o. Oga nakwa bed mo very empty. So sad. I did not sad.
So iburu no otu ateja iwe dị na-eso na be.
Ọ na-enye maka ara hụrụ ọfụma.
To God, ndị mmụọ gara abịa agba aka afịa. What is all the yes na-epụta na-efu nwaanyị gbu ọtọ teja n'enube. So che mba, let me get something straight.
President.
Ebe ị nọ na I did. Ebe ị nọ na pant adịrị ya. Kwezokwu.
Mba o. Pant kwa n'ime abalị a.
Bra adịrị ya.
Mba o.
Na ala just bottle. Ọ bụ ọkụ. Nekwa na ife anyị.
Mba o.
Nekwa na ife anyị.
Mba o.
Nekwa na ife anyị. Ifu ya fụ. Ifu ya ndị gara ụlọ ọfụma biko. Ị ga-ehi ụra ehi. Ị ga-ehi ehi. Yeah. No, why never na? Ever guy no steady bodo. Whenever I get Elania, people Sony, hey, Jineke. So no autonomy maybe. So if just the imagination alone.
Even here.
Looking at here man din the man na is dark, but when the fagula like Sony.
But you can't that's the way you open a masira, pa.
If I say that pillow, sorry, not pillow.
I know say we so we don't do
just use your imagination. That's better.
No, I don't want to straw.
See, Sonny, you know say that so it's just say na pillow you do on top like this. Na pillow abi?
I don't why so you know allow.
Yeah, you know I say na pillow. I see him.
Yeah, the problem.
Sonny say make you give us one more abi?
Let's give us updates. You know what? Give us updates.
Ansel boy the music. Master Cry. Welcome, man. Good to see you, brother, man.
I don't miss this place, die. I don't miss die.
No, so here we did now. Here they go. Everybody one friend. No, sorry. Okay, at least. But we debate we go my akwa ka o ma no obi ka o pillow, you know.
Mba akwa gini n'ime abani a.
Onya ka na ekwu no. Oh, nyekwu I one more flashing.
One more flashing.
Oh, Massacre Simco. Oh, yeah, Simco.
One flash was oh, God.
Yeah? What? One more. Oh, why no? Why? One more flashing.
I did watch you. Watch you. She's very sharp. My eye is very sharp now for this flashing.
Everybody does. People will miss her last time, don't.
I don't flash again.
See, what do you give up?
Video from this flashing. I don't do again.
No, they don't feel join and like that. Cause even I say they watch TV, that TV, we feel still manage the light. Wait, even I say.
Wait, my TV be that. Okay.
The only way for feel use that light manager and if we zoom out, that's way don't open them like this. Well, she better tell you now.
Even a pillow. It's a long. It's a pillow. Sorry, na pillow, Abi.
This sofa wait, the sofa was too much. Rain the fall for here.
Hey.
Biko. Ne. The fact that Akwanya, you know. We did. In my Abia Pala, and Javaga Jana. Or Argument and the Congo Pablo now.
I don't know now.
Sorry,
I don't go feed them for this now. Congo. I don't get power. I beg.
Stay
now. No, this one. I don't think your church people will not come.
Church people can.
No.
Alisa, I don't know your pastor. What's your pastor's name?
Boy, the teacher be this thing, no. People don't know say I be serious church boy.
Oh no, they don't know now.
I don't know your pastor. What's your pastor's name?
I'm plenty Chris. Pastor.
Get it again, Pastor Yaji.
Victor Adeyemi.
Pastor Adeyemi.
Look, Frank, there. Sonny Frank, there.
Yeah.
Frank, there, now. Mr. Frank.
You see that?
Frank, there, now. I can hear you.
Sonny Frank, there. Hello.
Omo. Okay. We are here with a naked girl. Or can I say a second?
Make you on light. They see something now. No, say any
naked girl. I'm not with naked girl.
Yeah, Waga. Anybody where they come Instagram by this time, get what you need time for this live video.
How? How?
Or they want to the twerk, or they want some.
Who say remove her? Remove her for darkness. Why you go remove me because I did for darkness? They talk that kind of thing.
Life to go find woman where things will go happen. As I work, because now studio I did the work now. Somebody was going to distract me small.
You know, so okay, small distraction.
What will you listen to my enemies?
Uncle, enemy. There's no
live video.
No, I mean, it's not a matter of removing. At least we can always accommodate the presence of a naked girl. He's welcome here. Oh, Nandobot FM, kind of.
No,
at least for.
Not even want anything too much. Just a little bit of pointers here and there that can, Not
just a mixture of more light, just a small light zone. Not like a bright one, you know, just small light zone.
So can you my last speech? Since people don't want me, in my naked form.
Who don't want you? Don't look at the comment section.
Let me just go. No problem.
Listen to me. Happen that I'm not going to go to India. I'm going to fact.
President. I'm going
to sing in fact because you don't work on while as a flash. I'm going to more focus. Sorry, never. My brother was. Yeah? You know? So, I know. So, as long as you belakwa, I can wait hope. You go, I can wait to put given out, put something. Obrum Pekeri Kekegusrai, I am one age.
You can tell. Anything can
you never go, and then I lose the hope, also. Never can tell. Mbande ndị kọrọ akụzi kwugoro ma ọ bụla ọrụ o nwere ụmụ Spain nwere from ụmụ kọrọ ndị I will give you time mgbe mama ha ndị be India dị ma obere Indian film so na enwe ihe
I never see anything.
Okay. You know that even though we are not seeing, and if she twerk in this darkness, we can find something. You know, right?
I said, when she near that TV.
Small, okay. Go bring the volume up, I beg, for that TV. More hear the music. Know whether it fit to work. Or you just move around for this room small. The room dark. Make it something just move. At least make we follow movement. Make it be saying a movement we follow.
I don't enter
Yeah. We don't even. Yeah.
Oh, na like
the
drink. Oh.
No, not star now.
Oh, star.
Oh yes, sir.
I don't can get for join you now.
I know our way now. Oh, yeah. Sorry, man. No more knock one jack. Eh?
The heat.
Aye, I got it. Straight up.
God bless you for that tag, man.
Yes, sir. Oh, young quackable. Sonny, any day, any time. Sonny, boy, young quack. So, then I what you have. Now, what I want, yeah. We are still up in here and waiting, hoping. No one will feel again, yeah, before we move along. All I call.
Ima, I be missing action. Now this hour, the time how the camera now I want to do this side, but let's not go there. I be missing action because when they miss, and I made it working at this hour.
I don't know what working. I'm going to need because need the naked. Because that's why everybody is thinking towards that dimension.
No show. If not, all of us will be in darkness.
No
light, no show.
Wait.
Don't do this thing. Let me come. Come I am on for nakedness. Just nyaku. Hey, piano. Oh, job boy. What? I'm gonna pillow. Hey!
What's popping?
Everyone guys something.
Good evening.
Yes.
Because can you do work na work room. No work can asim na no mara go get na me na. Na we unu disegu. Una like o ga bu. Emago.
Page because the pastor come why.
The pastor go na
Can you turn on the page because
na kwa na fine. Kele bo there is. Oppo. Biko can page in cause we were any request as both. Eh? So sorry, you see so then they see something.
This babe where they this other side, babe, she get something for chest too.
All of them they carry something come on. Very nice something.
Don't say me I like women we get good mind, we get good heart.
My brother. A happy girl is a water girl. A happy girl is a water girl. Never see. If you hi. You know, it's watered. If I go very nice, it's supple, yeah.
My brother, all these babes are soft and not very skin babes.
Not what is your cool. Aye. Oh yeah. Biko.
Na nke woman.
Email you just Admani Nancy Neku. Nancy say again. Admani Neku. Audio gi. What pa gana? All the Ebia.
Asmechi ma who come but I'm better today.
In your multiple.
I'm more lack of aragot.
In a emotional problem.
In your multiple. Okay.
Oh, the Macanote Gara Arabic
Okay, can accommodate your mastercraft. You man don't come mastercraft na can accommodate your master. Okay, can ban katana. Can you do more cleaner like a boyfriend or like a relationship or gabo? Work or gabo. Or what ya series? Kichonya gadi diplomatic. You mag go up to say na like him I like it akwa. Mago.
Waga.
Yeah, tell me. Ke like you work or gabo. Obu na eze gina esi so say na ni dey need the tattoo.
Baby go and brush your mouth smelly. Baby go and brush your mouth smelly. Oh, shift. Go and brush your mouth smelly. Onye love you no onye love you ga gwa gi no lu gi na issue na.
Onye love you ga sigi shift go and brush your mouth.
What's up?
Sorry, I like you the wine now come out there.
I will tell you.
I
like that.
Everything has to be kind of. Sorry for my too much English, y'all.
But one of them so bad.
So I feel say everything guys a little bit diplomatic.
Thank you. Outside that, come on, more quite diplomatic, Abia.
Wait, in a church, if we am sorry for now, maybe now your girlfriend, you're disdained, like period, they are standing. You got deal diplomatic is here, baby, you're the quacky gaga, who change. No, you got way a plane, babe, you're standing there, wash off.
You find a suitable way now.
I'm trying to
cut you.
I'll be
relationship for you to
go ahead.
Diplomatic is because no be her create period just come when period will come. She may not be enough, or she might be carried away and not cover herself well, and the blood can't stay somewhere. I go try put up small kind of attitude where you look like say no they happy based on say, but you suppose no now. Come on now, why did like this? But again, maybe make them be like say
you know we go direct.
I guess they're diplomatic.
Diplomatic.
The only reason why I go shout for the girl now if she mistakenly ugly. If she ugly, if they're fine, I go put small baby on now.
Waga, I think I'm straight for people.
Okay, you do you get receive like that. That's
can you take what you can you eat what you are dishing? Because let me give you an example. Waga.
I like
let me tell you, sometimes let me give you an example. Okay, what are you saying?
Oh, when you example mba go on.
Okay. Always example. A man can be very good in bed, right?
Okay.
But every time can work and perform well. Oh, we all go through stress.
Obviously. I'm on a programmed machine. I went off day.
Exactly. And you can't judge. And most times you can't judge a man by his first performance. Oh, you can't be overly excited.
I'm not going to see
No, but I'm coming to my point. Imagine now a smoke again to Gambia now. Yeah, imagine a smoke that. Gina, you just measure something. You be in a bed because he be a plain person in a quote as it is. In a anything as it is. The way it is.
Without bothering somebody's feelings.
Yeah. This was a horrible sex, so I can't take it from you.
In that kind of situation.
But don't over excitement. What if I'm in the mood? When I'm not the mood. Jawami or two Piama will yes, first performance. Are you
in a every single time.
Your first impression should matter to me a lot.
No. When
it comes to sex, experience. Experience has taught me. Experience has taught me. For a very long time. That is one thing for a very long time. Most times you don't judge him by his first performance. Not be like that. You don't. It doesn't. I don't. Think
okay, so in a diplomatic when it comes to performance.
Very man. Animal like us, but only got diplomatic with. He tries very diplomatic. Only I guess he kunkia or Jayonu like a bastard. On can SS. So if you want diplomatic, it has to be both ways.
Okay. So if it was any so in a good diplomat because one woman.
You know why I thought because maybe because of my nature, me I be cancer. So
okay.
Because of that, I know Sabi reacts in the first instance. Like if you do me something now, I know go just quickly talk. Guy, why they fuck up? No, I don't go do like that. Like to give. I think the reason why you also need to be diplomatic is because it allows you to have an upper hand on the person's character next time.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you did diplomatic with person now, it will allow you also know if you and that person feel move forward. If the person know they equally as diplomatic as you in some issues, because you already set the trap of diplomacy first. So I feel like it depends on the person. Like I don't got anything against the lady with red chair they have back. Sorry, I don't know your name. No vex.
Nancy.
Okay, my bad. No vex. So I don't got anything against how Nancy go take, react. I think she's also because it depends on how she wants to express herself. But I think
Hannah would the right to me.
Everybody there. But if you think about it, love is one thing that has to cover all. According to the Bible, love covers sin. So if love love they involved, then the amount of way you go take the rigorousness of the decision to explain what he wants, you need to just make them soft small. If that person no can agree here word, the second
from the second one, if they increase volume small. I want to
say something. What's the difference between somebody the diplomatic now, somebody the blunt?
Okay, ngwa gị na ọpụta na sị na eze gị na-esi nwoke m jee taa atụ direct. You tell me, mana onwe onye ga-abịa sị gị na babe, okay. ọnụgo na nke gị na-esi isi ihe ọ ga-emezi bụ nyanwa eburu ụzọ je were atụ tawagori fes ya sị gị weta nye gị nụ ịmago were ụlọ ọbụ isi the problem mana ihe mụ na-ajụdebe gị bụ ebe mụ na-ajụdebe gị bụ ị ga-ara ekwe ka nwoke si otu a na-ebihave to you and be blunt to you.
That's the obviously now.
Imago.
Waga. Let me take correction. If you call me to it.
I'm not at all say okay. Nwoke si gị nne na afọ gị ebukazi ị need ije mee something. Gwago dị ya.
Amadi me nwoke e. Amadi me kwasa gị na my afọ. Ọ na-ewego dim. Don't go there. Just.
You see the problem. You see.
Don't have it with me. Just mind you go just make you go down because I'm a mirror. I don't know if you understand.
You see.
And that's why I am engaged in diplomatic with somebody like okay money and not kita make mistake. Or we get some kind of things. Or we can just like example here before. I don't know if you understand.
And no diplomatic. You might go.
So more lose guard you might how to say it.
You see, we're going to body shaming.
1 month, I never answer your call. I want to get something. You might mean well. Oh, being in a club is your cool.
Oh, now what you get is your cool. Now forget to go bad. You need to walk out.
Answer your call. I was nam. Thank you. On your mercy way. Thank you.
You see the thing. So Nancy, what can I go to Wago de
Exactly. I cannot even give room for walking on that thing.
You see the problem?
You can't give
what of
that before a laba mustemo baby the water to give you cannot have that room. Are you getting me?
Man, when I didn't blunt just like you are, you will be.
Is it your pillow?
Those things you're supposed to do. I don't give him game to my body. Before you tell me, baby, that's go maru. Those things I'm not like yes, I don't do it. So I get DJ Aguamoka, only get the sushi or na you cannot have that room. I cannot give you that room.
So in a Kawana na CCG Bruno boss, CCG Tonite.
And when we are not tolerate, we got tolerate.
We get tolerate,
you never lose that for 1 day.
And we're my wardrobe because everybody were a wardrobe. One were a wardrobe on my own part. One you never got wardrobe. But there were some things like body wise.
Oh yeah, we are Sonny Kuna. Only thing in such condition, you have to now approach with love. Because you just go direct. Yeah, even down to Ora got off man. If you're not to a quick
no,
you will yourself for I'm again, in fact.
Can I just
check out some questions? Check out some questions.
See, and when I back in the days, when on the mood, they go this walk. Oh, you know, na conjana pego digging in your head now, and the Meguro Tisha, Pulio, Magotasha, Pego digam, and then they give the hype. I'm gonna go to ship for womb in your head, you may keep good old gas, but charge out of it. Does the very no Chamaya miracle not to
Aquado. And I do carry disappointed, no doubt. Oh, no, on the end, because what you mean is, Sonny, too much expectation. If you don't want expectation or check out Sonny, cook and check out Sonny one something.
And you're not the
oh, check out Sonny one something.
I'm just here, we are what
I know the things you can say.
Man, no, my Dido, wake up vibrator or not the Kabe Baba Nala Godishi, Bassa Fork by your see Metuma, come on, shoot up a post for man like this.
Na ị ga-eburu moral dị oke mkpi na ịchọzikwa ga na wow. Sonny, Sonny Chiku. Sonny.
I think my own personal contribution be say one of the dangers of always being blunt sometimes will encourage some people who come around you not to be real. For example, I feel like one of the red lights for a woman to know a guy that can do anything is a guy that doesn't say he can do that thing. If a guy comes to you and tell you that I go fuck you today and you go do somebody, there is high chances that 8 out of 10 will talk like that.
Zero.
So can only know who here. You know, could you go and damn?
No, because you are not in the elevator. You are not happy about me. Go up with you.
So what I will neji ko again? What I will neji at the end of the day? So for one in a kumagaya.
Can I walk him at the end of the day, now, God, I drop tomato here. Just attach it here. And I'm okay. At the end of the day, if I die, baby, not remember that day. That day comes for real.
No, but on a more serious. But on a more serious note, so now we're in a car.
Yeah, so now what's not the talk? We say most people when they talk to them, feel fuck you, I go fuck you, I'll kill you. If there be 10 guys, 8 of them no fit do them.
8.5, please.
2% of the 10, 9 feet possibly talk to them, fit do them, and really them fit do them. You know. But again, what I'm trying to say is, we're talking about the fact that you can be blunt enough to correct some people. Yeah. I think the major factor in everything for me personally, I can be very blunt if I'm working towards a project. For example, now as producer, if I do studio and then I work with engineer or somebody, I can be very, very blunt when it comes to that. When it
that one now work.
No man,
it's not work. It's not work. It should be always. You can still
No. I don't think so.
No, you gotta. Well,
when it comes to love, everything has to be approached with diplomacy, because once you hurt person, now you have to be like as I did now. If I like woman, the truth is whether I did right or wrong, now me go still talk sorry to the woman. So because that the part of the way a woman did. So I have to be diplomatic in every of my decision to correct. And again, sometimes if you're not careful, you can destroy with correction. If you spoil somebody's way of thinking by just correction, just say one correct person. I feel like it's okay for you to be yourself, to be blunt, but maybe because your environment, the kind of people where there will be plenty he-goats, stubborn people, go ahead. But once you find
even if say they cause them, you go still they come.
Because I go see they come. Maybe not those kind of people where see they come. So I go advise diplomacy. Diplomacy is always the best form.
Blunt can be very bad. Example, a man you're with might be working on something. We could borrow a project, Ojinaka, right? And then maybe in the process of doing that, or make mistake. He honor we come and what is there, right? So such a man comes home. He may pay. No reason. I don't think that such a man now we got water towards you in a very long time. Because Ima put to go effort into that thing. Yes, I made mistake. I feel like mad may go do mistake. But mistake is normal. Behavior issue. Behavior issue. Back to back. No matter how much you love them, they go they fuck up that one day. You understand? But I'm gonna mad mistake. No, we can a man now. Or bro, a man you know. There's so many reasons why you should not be blunt with somebody you love. That's my opinion. No. There are so many reasons. Why you get the cheap work? Very hassle. Because you have like that. Only you got one. Block all your number. Tell me money. Oscar Maya no go. Only you got one. Block all your number. It will take me like 2-3 months to recover from it. I don't get the most space. Like I don't because it's not everything that I allow into here. But they can never work better here. Only you got one. You also give family member. Oh, take a something. Pin your number. A man fools him again. So I also when I'm dealing with a guy, I also practice that. Except when I was a mental problem or something. I don't think no nigga ever see the blunt. I don't believe so.
I feel like now.
I don't believe so.
Nancy not gonna be like that for real life.
No, can't go against you.
Don't review Nancy's secret. So let me just shut up my mouth because I know.
No, but the thing, some people got sick. But the people, hold on. Some people got sick.
Okay.
Nanya. Enwe ndị ga-asịkwa gị, enwe ndị ga-asị gị na ịlọ ọvọ mmadụ igbu eziokwu. Enwe ndị na-ekwukwu ya like that.
Of course now.
So, ya bụ ihe na isi
ekwu. Baby, baby, go and shower now. Am I smelling? I didn't say you're smelling, but go and shower.
I can ekwu now. Eziokwu dị mama ị ga-package eziokwu.
But to me, I believe na ihe anụ dị ka mmụọ dị iche iche. Like onye na-ama ndịrọ. Ma egwu ya ajọ okwu o were ya na ịlaikiri ya nwa onye ọ ga-abịa egwu ya the thing o take ya personal you tell me like na mmadụ na-aga ọtụ ọlata ọga ọtụ ọfụma isi ya na ọlata ọga ọtụ it could go 2 ways o nwere ike o mee ya na ọ ga-adịzi worse ma ọ bịa again nwekwe ike o mee ya na o nweta gị again ọha bie gị akwara nna gwara gị na ya oge trigger with 2 things.
Njeche nwụcha red wine like this ginger nụcha ha na-eme tete ọta na-eme ụta at the end of the day what are you saying?
Mana chegori cheka jugori gị inyere ya another second chance ime otu a Nazono ekwu iwe the promise inyekwu ya second chance onwe
second round second round
anọkwa ndị agbasara ọkpa were see I don't waste sex in mana sex onye ọbụla na-abịa eri I don't waste my own. Take your time.
What is the fly inside this room?
Take your time. You don't need to. You can what time maybe I have what sense get them milk again you. Not this you. What see you. I can take it time out. I'm a I'm a rapid cable. In your head that you don't have sex with.
I'm going to your son. So saying I didn't know the and what they had no.
But I didn't know the when you have passed.
Yeah, I see I didn't know the when you had no. But here, my go. I will and
oh, yeah, we are here out your to see your auto is a garam.
But there could be better ways you get you one near now. Or me require the same thing.
So Nancy can't jog here. Nancy can't jog here.
See, only way I go support this non-diplomatic way of talking now. If you talk like that, you get power. If not, you're gonna get to deal with people with you almost get domestic violence issue. Because we don't try in little best. I still try because for a man to come, the man don't. There's nothing that can be done. So much as to enter there. The guy don't get overexcited. Don't drink like maybe like 5 or 6 different drinks. You do it, but at the end of the day, maybe your pussy did too warm at that moment. The guy just entered there. Just enter in there. He just make the man never waste his time. He try to don't give us, don't be as it will be. And this
he don't be my brother.
I say, he have what is in Garam. It take like 2 minutes to process statement. But
because when they the second one, I don't get better go. Is understandable. But you can't make it Taramon that first one. That first one over here, only do drum me that day, all doju go. In a tosu or on me bagojini me a guardian. You're just go say your Messiah, just say, hey, whoa, oh,
Nyakawaza Gafunako, Imokono way or Gabu, Imokono way or Nabu, no way free in my eye from me. Otini go the whole thing so wake it to stop.
No, it's passing power.
Oh, only game, Muzi, what see on. It's a walking you terrain, it's an outer range.
If that guy come, yeah, and you know say don't come, and then you cannot have another, but maybe you can't go close to the guy. If not, a healthy guy.
Manager, what we are new, Quebec. Ocho Hinu, Nano. Ocho Hinu, Ocho Bino. Here didn't happen. Organize your na Neque, na Neque, na. Here, Cogana Christian, na, what we have,
Okay. Mana,
because
you know, what you can continue like. When they will hand you one bank and bank Hannah charge continue.
Now why I want
one or two thoughts.
Get as guy go come, man. You as woman just go, can't just lie down on top him body. Get as you go.
Go.
Rise up again for the main resurrection.
Encourage them.
I talk on behalf of my fellow men waiting over there. I'm not asking the bill because I've been there before.
Okay.
No,
my brother,
master.
Obu no wonder anything. Obu no wonder anything. No can you be a pala. I got to go through this moment. Yes, God who made me.
Yes.
What are you talking? No can you I say every man where there is be a pala.
The bush now I gonna before. And you could get zero.
Yes, it happened to me.
But I don't see it as something to be ashamed of.
It happened now.
Now so I wouldn't wait or a pure co.
No, I'm not talking. There's no way.
That's how that be said.
That's set for long.
I understand where you're coming from. Cheru, calm more down. I understand where you're coming from. What I mean, Aqua. Which are pure, one weekend, you prepare to go your mind, Emma. Even when you get past stuff, you know, all those things. The truth about it is, I feel like I'll be in a relationship with somebody who should understand now, bro, go up on can power. Mba now, I know we can go tell you about the chongi now. You try and here. You understand? Oh, we go from the I want. Imagine as a I don't know. True. You are right. So you want you
but why how can money make it no?
Okay. Out amo. Sorry,
my point. Two things first. Number one, I know be human, so I don't know as woman they work. But for a man, no man go start to fuck when you go free fuck well from the beginning. You go grow into fucking well. You must grow into it. We're good for you. That's number one. Number two, depending on the nature of the girl, a guy can come and approach you because he wants to sleep with you. He go just try to talk all those things so that he go get your attention. Because he knows say you be very blunt person, as you know the year word. He go tell you. So he go kill you, he do this, he do that, he do that. Just to get you to agree. Because now, if he go get your attention. I see no reach there. Before he come meet you, he don't drink many things. But the way when he come beer,
he still disappoint him.
Him himself no fit are you in there with inside room? You fit no know. His brain don't scatter. So that's more time when he take there with you for that place. He don't try to hold this thing, bro.
Oh God, oh God.
Oh God. Somebody said, what if the man is great and you're tired?
See, you don't understand the part where Sonny they talk.
Now, let me tell you something. I Adamara am anyhow.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Ram, can't walk in the hobby amnesia. Amara Mam, Torera, getting him to at that point in time. So I'm always ready. I'm born ready.
Okay, so you
I'm not in the mood. I like a mirror too. I did Kunia too much.
Okay.
So put up aside that.
Okay. So mana it can't what about a point Mastercraft now. Now this one Madi Obro not try. He did all he could. No my mixture of we and just go where we stand there this evening. In saying John has I'm going to hear every man, living human being man that I know. I'm going to tell everybody.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you can just continue this thing.
That is so powerful in bed. On everybody.
In saying when we get to this thing, and that's your organization.
Especially when now this girl like David, now this babe.
High expectation fuck. Now you cause that kind of thing.
That first one, no worry, you must
expectation fuck.
That's why you
So when you're expecting something, you can manage your worry. Why auto issue as in to me if I'm a man or no I didn't so know when I'm gonna get what happen. Because mpa obro hiche and everyone sense the two much.
Ima na obro so go mgbe ibuzi man obro so go amara otu na ira to onye ozo abebe erase memory gi we ni ku stake.
No problem, but I want to tell you something. There's how you treat a woman at bed, even before the sex. Every time all that talking. Oh, could you not too much? Mana, and I worship her wine. Or probably not just some people, but I say, the girl I want me. Let me tell you, it's a lie. Only one who calls the but that same person, Udrumiro I think that girl na give me no good believer. I want to worship here, worship.
You know that same way 1 minute for that guy. After like maybe 3 to 6 months, another person if he come meet that girl, we go open another tap or something else. We pass it. You go
call increase stakes.
Exactly. So sometimes exactly. Sometimes
anything we concern.
I don't believe no collaboratory around why. Last day I may enjoy. You got that one. Take your time. Half a hate you condom ara lot like na worship ahụ nwanyị ka ngwa unu ị ga-eji godu nwayọ onwe ihe ga-eme nwanyị ahụ agbakasịwa ya na ahụ atakasịwa ya at that point like ọ gago ya n'ishi na-emetụgodi ya ka nna megodi ihe aka nsị ebe a pụọ nna ịma ịtakasịwagodila ahụ already on your own.
Onye ahụ ama mgbanwuzi mmiri ọbazi uru.
Do you know that come from experience from experience
nwaanyị na-adịrọ happy ama mgbakwa mmiri o a na-agbakasị nwaanyị ama mgba mmiri.
Master will not understand.
Wagaji, you see the emotion of a woman, the emotion of a woman when she dey alone and when prick enter am na different things. Sometimes if 10 women, maybe if they no dey happy, maybe 6 or 7 or 8 fit no ban marry or they no go dey happy. But na different situation. The thing wey concern that those two sides for down there.
You get different wiring.
Once you enter, give am small time, may just go small. Don't we know the thing? Don't worry.
They know the roster.
No be they go small be the issue. You still get person who go small. If you just enter once, as they come out, the kind of water will go follow come out on another level.
Okay.
First.
So
what do you do? They need love. Like me, if you don't pet, if my body don't receive the kind this thing when I want, you know go work.
And you know Sabi dey diplomatic.
And my body go bite me. I go tell you, oh stop, I'm not in the mood.
You like that kind of thing, but you know Sabi dey diplomatic.
Mood go drop. There's how to follow a woman. If you want to ask, take your time. They don't see these things. You be like temple. They know they rush them. Take your time. Talk to a woman. Laugh. Jeez. Do small.
Okay. What if you come they lie to you that time where in they taking time? They tell you all those kind. They use diplomacy.
Lies. Those we don't say you they lie.
See. That's saying diplomacy now. Now she wants now. You see, now you be diplomatic.
No, you can't be diplomatic. Don't say you they lie, but that's what I want to hear that time.
That's diplomacy right there. Tell you. No. Oh, you go get here, no, you have diplomacy.
It's possible for you for a woman to do on top of you. You want sleep with her. She fine, she get everything, but maybe as at that time. She never just brush her mouth, or maybe she just chop one thing, one suya. We get onions. You go contact at that time. We go manage them.
That's why you need to be careful of who you use.
Forget that thing. Anybody can chop suya. Forget. You don't be very, very careful of anything.
If not person, don't do something, things. If the person wey don't do, you will not say the person chop something wey no good. That point, like maybe you chop vegetable soup, this thing still there your mouth. You understand? You go not say normally this person no get mouth odor. Maybe you chop something.
Yes.
Chop. Go and brush it. Me, I can't.
I'm give an example. Now like mouth odor now. You the ask,
My last one. My last one. Because my phone went off. Now people when they're diplomatic with us, they follow. You get one we no find. If we come out like they step you out for express. People did that and we tell us say instead I will date you, I'm going to date a goat. They don't know 7 days to reach. We go become mastercraft. They'll come they like us. Guys go they like us now. So I'm just saying, sometimes you calculate.
They don't like you. Now your pocket they like. Don't deceive yourself. Don't deceive yourself, my brother. Now your money they like.
It's still okay.
Anything where they bring and come, you go still chop.
We
go still chop.
That time will be like that. Now don't be saying I just they blunt. Things anything can change. So when you are diplomatic, just in case. No, it'll be every time. You hostess now. If they won't fly, they go just smile. They'll turn back, squeeze their face. Why don't you just squeeze their face? Why don't you work as they feel?
But when you can't act you can't act exactly how you feel all the time. I don't think it works that way.
I know.
Okay. Can you say
because if the table turn, you know if you take out.
Check one question. What can organize like in the mood, on the mood. Or not like we make mistake where you are you enjoying it or saying no? How will you feel? How will you feel that very moment? No. Just keep you quiet, Juju. Or saying no. Point blank.
No.
No. How will you feel? You get what
on top of the note, guy come talk say no. I keep smelling.
What's the problem?
You will feel bad. Gima, you.
I will feel bad.
Why?
I'm a jiggy baby. I can go for my question.
Ihe niile abụzi ihe ị ga-ewute bụ ihe bụ mwute gịzi ọ ka ị mara ka o si ewute mmadụ ma egwu ya ka isi fi ruo onye nwere ka ọ da-atụ ụtọ eziokwu mana ịjụọ ya sị gị yes baby enwere ike ebe ọ dudoro ọkpa enwere ike ebe
ụmụ nwoke na-asị mba ete ya that time ọ na-atọ ụtọ ha ga-asị gị mba
onweghị ụtọ ọbụ ọha ncha na-atọ ụtọ onwere nke ị ga-ajụ ya ọ da-atụ ụtọ mana ọ ga-asị gị trust me abụ nwoke bụ nwoke
Imana in a relationship, there's some sex you have just because.
Before uncle. Back at diplomacy,
I said because of love, you go consider some things.
You know.
What are my points? So it doesn't always work like that. Blunt, give them blunt. Blunt, but not blunt.
No one know we ain't ya blunt now. They take mbogoti enisi.
Don't be blunt at all, man. Thank you.
Mbe enye ya blunt kita. They take mbogoti enisi. Of how blunt can be.
If you make blunt, you got no fees. You don't know fear. But I'm not already blunt now. Why? Are you come mad over say it blunt?
Now what I talk before say if I do projects, I cannot be smiling because you need to get the best out of them. So
exactly.
You must not be smiling. It's like when you give a tailor or electrician work, they're going to usually do like this. But if you change voice, you will get results.
Yeah.
Okay. But if you're working with somebody that you love, somebody that you want to see that person grow, then you means that you have a capacity in your mind that the person is not where the person is supposed to be at the moment. So you must accommodate.
Somebody say I'm not blunt, I'm rude. I'm not rude.
Go on.
Sometimes I'm rude. I don't mind.
It's not rude. My dear. That's why we said diplomacy. What you're saying is not rude. You are saying the truth.
No, somebody is saying I'm rude.
No, it's not being rude to me. It's not being rude. To me, you are saying the truth. But on your kind, I was thinking that if in saying the truth, you have to be diplomatic about it. I bet you're not
you don't want to blunt. Your father mess it up. Your father. He just put better you can work it. It fuck up. Your father.
Go make an emote. Go make an emote. I want to like that.
Into the next generation.
Send go. I want
to get something. Even my father.
Yeah, I'll Mastercard, phone Mastercard, and you go ahead.
You know my father. I'm not working out. Oh my God, my father would do. I think almost when you hear my father very well. But right now, if they report, my father may call him to daddy. Okay, man, I hear me meet there. Me and my father with that relationship. And I tell him, if my father do something, my sister, any of my siblings complain, I they call my father. Would they talk like friends? This is that daddy, but this thing he made there now. He made ask him he made there ask him.
No. He could get a broad blunt voice at all.
It's blunt. I'm always blunt to my father. I don't hide anything.
It's not blunt.
I'm always blunt. My father said.
Nanya, the imana, na kwa Nancy. Igwea abroad the problem. No, kedu ka isi gwea. About the problem.
Exactly.
How did you say it?
I'm always blunt to anybody. Na gwa hoto she diremo. Adam ejimu something. What how she diremo that time? I'm just telling you me in particular.
Okay, we jogging nka njoge na. Nka njoge na.
When right to him express auto she cho. Waga wu somebody ama moto nche dimu something ga gwa gele koto she dire period.
Eziokwu ka na-ekwu, eziokwu ka.
That's me. You need notice to go since I'm that blunt. Lekwa ngwa gị na gym ego.
Anyway, give it up for Mastercraft. Mastercraft was here, man. Mastercraft, nice contribution, man. Give it up for Mastercraft, man. Well done. It was good having you around, man. Angeloma, you're welcome. You're welcome. So, because can you connect? It's again.
Rude na blunt abrofu is not the same. Onye na ase na Nancy the
rude. About rude. Rude DJ, blunt DJ. But the only problem with
Where side nkweta ihe na azo. The only thing na nno na eti ha na
which is ebe mmadụ kwesịrị ịnọ.
Anọrọ m na mma ekwu ya otu anwa. Anọrọkwanọ m na maghara ekwu nke bụ eziokwu because ikwu eziokwu dị mkpa. Depends. For me, I think it depends on the person you're dealing with. I think that's what matters. It depends on the person you're dealing with. For example, if you're dealing with a friend that is yes, for example, Nancy, enwere onye ga-ama Nancy ka ọ dị kịta n'otu ọnụ ya wụ nnọọ gbụwa. Nyenwe na onwe ya sef, ụta ka a na-abụ dị eme ha mụ onwe fa njaka akpọ ya njaka ekwe ha na-ekwu. Nne je ka ile ọgụgodi do aka afọ amagodi ka anwụ ihe a na-atabu dị before o nweburu fly na somehow.
Nee ya n'ebe do a just ijere na handle do a ị ga-afe.
Check very well. Keep on make up. Just look around.
So in the Nancy the road, Nancy had the road, Nancy the question No, the only thing
the pillow don't they come. Don't
worry, second half now. The second half now. Something sweet. But yeah, agency. The only thing he could be 100% right. Here Nazoku right. Massacre be right, but Eman and Kekatam Babu, Eman had the game. Like a Mary.
Yeah.
Let's say,
yes.
I say, not one Aragada Toto. You get Dunque. I want to get Bogotoginisi. You get Dunque. Utwa is your mother. You get Dunque, Money, Town and Kari. So you won't say anyone I know can do that. No problem. I know you.
Blunt to any say, hey, na zonga
oh, yes, now. I can do
that one. I can be blunt to
that one bragging. When I ever into equal, when you went into equal. At the end of the day now, I feel that if I'm talking about Nancy now, I feel that a part of the reason why most of these men fail Nancy noble because none are the intimidated.
How?
your demeanor, the way you actually bring yourself, make the man feel like, am I sure I can handle this? It's possible that
I'm very transparent.
Which is not your fault.
I'm not your fault. The way you are. I'm not saying that that's not the way you are. That's the way you are. But knowing that life from Madobona, Imaro, it in Orogo, don't want you the perfect. Like it, you were saying that you were a good job. Want you the perfect. But in life, Imare Boga Kama, that does not mean that change you go who you are.
Understand.
Do you understand? You have not changed who you are. The only thing it made you better. For example, you can't take just this sentence na again na nwoke na ala kita ona akọ ha na go okita anu iche na ima ihe na eme na ihe na ị na-agba ezigbo mmiri na ya niile
mba agwa m ya nke ọkụ ya n'isi gaa
ihe na etel ị na join it nwoke na-emepe ọnụ si that's not what I expect. You get it right here. So for that reason,
blood was very important. Like in mad.
Oh yes, that
you this how I felt women so thing
I am very straightforward because that's an understanding we have.
I did law with it that no 3 years ago when him must not talk about the story when they make and see the story or the person
for me I
now you just 1 year I did law with it water.
Okay. Ngwa ka njọ Angel ọma ịmago onwe ku nsi na-egwu oru na tafu ka ọ lacha gị okrito o tiri isi ife nwa siti ya mamịrị ọgba break si gị babe ije kene je wash ya off na ọ dị ka ebe a na-esi mamịrị how will you feel?
I will not even feel bad at all.
Listen,
I won't feel bad at all because if I was in the same situation, I would say the same thing. For me, that's my own. I won't feel bad.
Because no. You got to go to no. Oh, it's one more. Good yeah. Up or down, Kaka. Which door?
I
don't know. Ebe bi na aba odo mba na do ebe ni na do no mba bro do aga na do no o se ngwa te na TV
Who done that PK Adinani? What here Dinani? Master, about win the key.